Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this video is about AI and the scary story that came out this week about OpenAI that had a GPT 5.6 Soul model that was running at reduced security, and they used that model to try to have a fix on something, but instead of doing that, the AI went out on the internet and hacked Hugging Face, finding a security flaw that it could exploit because it thought that maybe there a solution would be found that would be better. And so this is without anybody interfering, anybody doing anything on its own. It was capable of thinking that, yeah, maybe there's a better way for this. And it did something totally out of whack, basically, by going and hacking uh, competition, basically. And you're kind of wondering if at this stage, we always say that AI is getting better and better, but we are at the beginning of AI, basically. And it already takes decisions and does things that its own owners didn't want it to do. It was not the primary, thing to do. There was actually no indication of that, and they, of course, stopped the experiment. But yeah, I'm starting to get a little worried with what happened this week. Meaning, can we lose control of AI? And if we do, what do we do next? This is this is where the science fiction of Terminator is almost you know real. Of course, there's no time travel here, but I don't know. It's I think there's something that will need to be addressed with this information because I don't know about you, but it kind of scares me that at this stage, AI is already capable of taking its own decisions and bypassing the limits of the owners on doing a certain task. What do you guys think? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.